So we have our platformer here, simple platformer. We can run and jump, but what if we wanted to add double jumping? How do we do that? Let's open up our script. Let's add another constant called max jump count. We'll set this to 2 because we only want to allow double jumping. And let's add another variable called jump counter, which will keep track of how many times the player has jumped. So now instead of checking if the player is on the floor, we want to check if the jump counter is less than the max jump count. And whenever the user does jump, we want to increase the jump counter by 1. And whenever the user hits the floor, we want to reset the jump counter. So if it's not on the floor, we do this. But if it is on the floor, we simply reset the jump counter. Now if we play, we can double jump. Oh no. We can double jump. But no more than twice. If you want to triple jump, we can just set the max jump count to 3.